So we have a very unique and special home here that's located in the heart of Quartz Hill, sits on 3/4 of an acre lot, has gorgeous mountain views, RV access, a huge workshop, and a sparkling pool and spa. Let's check it out. This property is super cute. Yes, I can say that word. Has a gas fireplace to keep you nice and cozy, new carpet throughout, 2 downstairs bedrooms and 2 downstairs bathrooms, a dining area with views all around, and a spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinetry and tile backsplash. If you like cuteness, this backyard is even cuter. During the spring, you have the flowers blooming, nice green grass, a covered patio, a sitting area with string lighting, and best part, a sparkling pool and spa. Welcome to the workshop. It offers plenty of electrical, additional storage up above, another room, and a sink. Thank you so much for watching this super cute ranch home located in Quartz Hill. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.